You're not a teenager, why are your wisdom teeth acting up now? The truth is, they can get removed at any age, especially if they're causing pain, discomfort, or crowding on the other teeth. They usually show up around 16 to 18 years of age. But for many people, they may not show up or cause trouble till many decades later. Here are some signs that your wisdom teeth may need to come out even if you're over 50. If you notice any swelling, inflammation, or discomfort in the back of your mouth, it may be caused by your wisdom teeth. Frequent bad taste or infections, especially towards the back of the mouth, crowding or moving around of your other teeth, shifting, can be caused by wisdom teeth even if you've had braces in the past. Decay or breakdown of the nearby molars is a common symptom of wisdom teeth that are coming in late and need to be extracted. Any potential cysts or bone damage around those wisdom teeth that we see on an x-ray or a cone beam scan are signs that we need to take the wisdom tooth out. Many times wisdom teeth will fully erupt and come into your mouth and not cause problems. A lot of times though, they'll only come out halfway and partially erupt, and this creates a bad situation where food can get trapped in there, bacteria can get trapped in there, and you get decay not only on the wisdom tooth but the tooth in front of it as well. And if it's left unchecked or untreated, a lot of times you have to remove that second tooth in addition to the wisdom tooth. So is it riskier to remove your wisdom teeth later? Not necessarily, and that's usually why we take them out when you're 16 to 18 years old. But here's what I want you to know. Your healing and recovery is going to take a little bit longer than if this was done in your teens or 20s when you're healthier and can heal fast. It's very important to us to have images of the teeth and the bone structure around there to plan adequately. An experienced dental team can help diagnose the bone density, the adjacent teeth, any kind of nerve impingement, and also walk you through the pros and cons of taking those wisdom teeth out. Don't put it off just because you're not 22 anymore, because a lot of times if they're causing problems now, it's not going to get better and they need to be addressed. It's totally fine to leave wisdom teeth alone in some of the following situations. The tooth is fully erupted and is in a good chewing partnership with its neighbor. It's easy to clean and access so you don't get food trapped, and it's not damaging any of the teeth nearby. Do you still have your wisdom teeth and you're not sure if they're a problem? So book an appointment with us. We'll take a panoramic scan and a cone beam image and know exactly where those teeth are in relation to everything else in your mouth and give you good advice on whether they need to come out or not. Please don't wait for pain to make that decision for you. Take care of it now and avoid any surprise emergencies later. If you click below, you'll find a link to make an appointment with us, or leave a comment in the comment box. I'd love to hear from you. I'm Dr. Brett Langston, and I'm here to help you watch your mouth.
Down in Brookhaven with a smile shine bright, Dr. Brett Langston's working late into the night. With hands steady and a gaze so keen, he's the best on thoughts, the dumbest you've ever seen.